Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Pinto. I know there's been some confusion about not being able to edit the worksheets that I provided you in your assignments. So I'm going to show you how to make those so you can edit them. What happened was Microsoft Teams went ahead and disabled it to automatically edit because of all the traffic they're getting. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to enable that. So you're going to open up the assignment. Go to the worksheet, and then all the way up here to the top, you're going to see a button that says close. To the right of that, there's three little dots. You're going to click on that, and you're going to click open in browser. And then that'll make it so you can edit the document. When you're finished, make sure you go back to the assignment and click the blue turn in button. You won't need to actually share the document with me or email it to me. What happens is I get an overwhelmingly amount of emails and shared documents, and it makes it really hard to keep track of everything that I'm getting. So if you could just do the assignment here and then click the blue turn in button. Thank you and stay safe.